Welcome back everyone to another update video. Today we are going to talk about the updated rules on fast track trading. For all you guys that have been seeing the drama, we're going to address the drama here, right? And if you have not heard already, they have denied millions of dollars worth of payouts. Essentially, they are denying them. This isn't just hearsay. They are denying payouts. So with these canceled payouts or payout denials, essentially what we're looking at here is people who requested payouts and then were approved. Now they've changed the rules, have denied the payouts because the people did not abide by the new rules. This is funny to me, and it goes right back to what we talked about in the Apex situation in the beginning. And if you hadn't caught the Apex videos, go back and watch them. Same kind of situation. Basically what it was they implemented rules, but nobody's grandfathered in, right? Everything that they've done all the way to the time that they've implemented these rules no longer matters. Right now, today, as soon as we implement these rules, everybody just abides by them. So nothing that happened before this date is grandfathered in. And this is something that I just can't seem to wrap my head around. If they want to change rules, I get that. If they have reasonings for it, whatever the case may be. However, when these rules are changed, right, you should be able to continue on under the set of rules that you were trading under in the beginning, or opt out. And what do I mean by opt out? Well, you should be able to close your account, take whatever funds you have that were made, and exit the company, rather than having to be stuck under a new set of rules if these payouts were already approved. These things just don't make any sense to me. I don't know why these companies keep doing these things. I do have to tell you, it makes it look bad for other companies. And you guys have to understand, the ones out there that have gotten payouts are working with companies that are paying. You already know these things. Not every company is built the same, sadly. Do companies have these issues? Yes, that's what we go over in these videos, right? Another thing to address here, what this basically is, and you can pause it and read this all over. I'm not going to read it all here. When you buy an account through Fast Track, these are the terms and conditions that you are basically agreeing to. It's funny with this agreement here because it essentially says that they don't have to pay you. I mean, if you complain because you're not paid, then they don't have to pay you at all. Super, super crazy. Not something anyone should agree to. I'm going to go over everything that they have did, negatives and positives, but I'm going to make my position clear right now as we go through this video. And I'm not going to say that all the things that have changed are bad, but I am going to make my position clear. I would not purchase an account through Fast Track Trading currently. If it's something that you prefer to do in the future, or you're on the fence about it, or you want to get an account now, whatever the case may be, completely up to you, obviously. However, I would urge you to wait until the smoke clears. They get everything in line. My opinion is, I've said this on a live stream already, that the owner of Fast Track is first off an extremely horrible businessman. But to add to that, he should have waited until he had all his ducks in a row before he launched the company. Either he launched too quick because, one, he was just trying to hurry up and get to market because he was in a rush. Two, he's a complete and total idiot. Three, there was no other purpose but to take money from people. I hope that three isn't the case. However, that's always in the equation, correct? So what is Fast Track Trading saying? Why the changes were necessary? The old payout system allowed traders to make very small, low-risk trades and still qualify for large withdrawals. This created a situation where the firm was paying out significant sums without traders truly participating in the market, which compromised the firm's long-term stability. To protect both the traders and the firm, FTT's new rules ensure that payouts are only made when traders engage meaningfully in the market with real risk. Take that as it is, guys. I'm not saying that that is a positive or negative thing. I'm not saying that it's untrue or true. What I'm saying is, like I just stated, you needed to have the rules in place from the beginning. You're not ready to start a funding company and you have no idea what you're doing, and you never should be in the business until you have it figured out and you know what you're doing moving forward, right? Moving toward live trading, FTT's long-term vision as the industry transitions towards live trading with key players like CME leading the way. FTT's goal is to prepare its traders for this shift. The new rules focus on ensuring that traders develop the necessary skills to succeed in live markets by encouraging traders to engage in meaningful trading with real market risk. The firm is building a foundation for long-term success and preparing traders for the future. This is their take on it. Is this just a pass off or a real take? Again, I'll let you be the judge of that. It's not for me to say one way or another. I don't put these videos out so much to sway your thoughts one way or the other. I put these videos out for you to get all the information and do with it as you will. Do I give my opinion to a degree? Absolutely. However, I'm not trying to force my opinion on you. I'm just thinking out loud. Addressing current payouts and reset policy. Due to the changes in payout rules, some previously approved payouts will need to be denied if they do not meet the new criteria, such as having fewer than 10 real trading days. Traders who have been denied will need to complete 10 more real trading days to qualify for their payout under the updated rules. And these are the issues that I have. I have to be honest with you. They should have had these rules before approving payouts. That is a marvelous, brilliant idea, isn't it? Makes no sense to me. It makes you wonder where the owner's brain is. But that's for another topic, isn't it? To support traders through this transition, FTT will reinstate accounts for traders whose payouts were denied, with profits deducted accordingly, provide a new account with reinstated profits for traders who have blown their accounts, offer a free Daytona account as compensation for traders whose payouts were denied. Well, that's amazing. They're going to give you a free account for payouts that they never gave to you so that you can get that account to pay out so that, okay, we probably better stop there, right? What are the changes? Real trading days. Rally account minus 6250 or plus 6250. Daytona account minus 125 or plus 125. GT account minus 187.5 or plus 375. Le Mans account minus 300 or plus 600. How does that work? Essentially, you have to have that balance after a trading day in order to consider that a real trading day, right? That's one of the major updates that they have just introduced. I'm not saying that this is wrong or right. You be the judge. If you can abide by that rule, then by all means, maybe it doesn't make a difference to you, correct? However, for those who were trading before these rules were implemented, they paid for their accounts with the thoughts that the rules would apply to them that they signed up with. That's where the problem is with this whole situation. When those payouts were approved, these traders should have got their payouts. There's absolutely no reason that we say, okay, well, we're going to change the rules now. We're not going to pay you now because we changed the rules. This means that at any payout period, they can do this exact same thing. So what is the point of the rules that they put in place? What's the point of these rules that they just implemented? There isn't any. Really no point of the rules because the rules for the next payout could be different than the rules that we're looking at right now. Consistency rules stay the same. No single day's profit can exceed 20% of the total profits. And you guys already know this, the consistency rule. And it's been the same since the beginning. For example, if a trader has accumulated $10,000 in profits, no single day's profit should exceed $2,000. If the 20% threshold is exceeded, the trader must continue trading until their overall profits increase enough for the largest trading day to no longer exceed 20%. New minimum balance requirements, Rally and Daytona accounts, profit target plus 250 after withdrawal. GT and Lamaze accounts can withdraw to the buffer on first payout, then GT must keep 4,500 and Lamaze must keep 11,000. They're now requiring traders to maintain a minimum balance after each withdrawal to promote responsible trading and market engagement. Minimum balance depends on the account type and the payout stage. As we discussed them there, this is the same kind of thing that Apex did as well. One of the biggest reasons that I was standing behind Apex in the very beginning. Anybody that's been to the channel, seen any of these videos, you guys already know this. They did not make you keep your buffer. So essentially you had a 50K account, you were on PA, you made it to the $2,600, which brings your trailing drawdown to 0. You're at 50,100 by that time, and you could withdraw whatever you wanted out of your account. They tried to change it. The traders got upset. Daryl came back and said, we listen to the traders. We want to keep them happy. So we're not going to implement the new rule. And now they've implemented the new rule. Well, the same thing basically is going on here. If you're going to have these rules in place, my thoughts are have them in place in the beginning and don't change it in the middle, especially when you're owing a whole bunch of payouts and you have essentially put everyone off for their payouts. I want to make it clear right now too, just because I'm going to get haters in the comments, I am not with Fast Track Trading. I have never purchased an account with Fast Track Trading. Fast Track Trading does not owe me any money because I've never purchased an account with them. So before I get the haters saying, oh, this is just some guy that hasn't been paid and didn't follow the rules or whatever else everybody comes up with in the comments. It's the craziest thing you've ever seen in your life. You guys come out of the woodwork trying to say how people aren't profitable, people aren't traders, people broke rules. You knew what the rules were. No, absolutely not. Not where I'm at. Wasn't where I was at with Apex either. I always got my payouts. Never was denied. Never had any rule breaks. Didn't like the new rules. Closed all my accounts and left. Just morals to me, guys. Anybody who comes to my live stream and watches me trade every single day already knows this. New payout rules. And you can see them here. They've revamped payout rules across all accounts to ensure traders are engaging in real market participation. Here's a detailed look at the new payout rules for each account type. The future of fast track trading. New platforms. This is what they claim the future is, not what we claim the future is, right? New platforms. FTT is integrating with popular trading platforms, NinjaTrader, DXFeed, TradingView, CQG, MetaTrader, plus more. Of course, they've been doing this from the beginning. Like I stated at the very beginning of this video, the owner should have waited until these things were implemented before coming to market with his company. That's just really, really, really poor business sense, or at least know when that's going to be implemented so that he didn't continue to drag people along saying it's going to be next month, it's going to be next month, it's going to be next month, because that definitely has never happened. And when somebody tells you that something is going to happen and it doesn't happen, you start questioning their character. New plans. FTT plans on rolling out new account types and plans. Live desk. FTT is building a live trading desk that will offer some of the best live trading opportunities in the industry with special rates for FTT traders. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, you kind of get the impression of what my thoughts are as we've been through this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see videos like this in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make a video on, let me know in the comments. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, stay consistent out there.